Have you been involved in a legal case and found yourself unhappy with your lawyer's fees? You're not alone. Hi, I'm Deepal, Director of Law in Check, where we advocate for those who have been unfairly charged by their lawyer. We've helped many people and companies slash their legal bills by tens and hundreds of thousands of dollars, making a real impact on their financial well-being. We had a case where our client's defamation matter settled for $55,000, but their lawyer's fee was over $83,000. The lawyer even started debt recovery proceedings against our client to collect outstanding costs. Before accepting the settlement offer in the defamation case against a prominent news channel, our client repeatedly requested a reasonable cost estimate from her lawyer to make an informed decision about whether or not to settle the matter. Before the client signed any settlement agreement, the lawyer should have provided our client with crucial information as required by law. This includes a reasonable estimate of the lawyer's total legal cost to date, a reasonable estimate of cost of the opponent that the client may have to pay as part of settlement, and a reasonable estimate of contributions towards legal costs to be received from the opponent as part of the settlement. Unfortunately, the lawyer's responses were not only incorrect, but also non-compliant with law. On 13 July, the lawyer estimated their cost to be $40,200 plus GST, which excluded the uplift fee and disbursements, including barrister's fees. A subsequent email mentioned the barrister's fee at $15,000, once again omitting a one-figure estimate and failing to indicate a reasonable estimate of costs payable or any contributions towards the client's costs likely to be received from the opponent. Then on 21st July, the lawyer estimated legal costs at approximately $50,000, conveniently overlooking uplift or additional expenses. This estimate fell far short of reasonable, especially considering the actual total legal cost amounted to $83,262. As a result of this non-compliance with disclosure obligations, the cost agreement was automatically void, and any entitlement to uplift no longer applied. Our client was not required to pay the legal costs until they had been assessed by the cost court, and the lawyer was prohibited from commencing or maintaining proceedings for the recovery of all legal costs until they had been assessed. When we informed the lawyer about this, they immediately withdrew their debt recovery case against our client and refrained from chasing our client for payment of uplift or other outstanding costs. If you think your lawyer has charged you more than they were entitled, call Law in Check today on 1-800-529-462. That's 1-800-LAW-IN-CHECK. Or send us an email at info@lawincheck.com.au.